Ever wish you could take your Ubuntu desktop to everywhere and customize it without leaving a trace on the host computer? Let's build a persistent Live USB drive for Ubuntu, allowing you to save your files, install software and personalize your experience. On the go first, you will need a few things: a computer with internet access, a USB drive that is at least 8 GB in size, and the latest Ubuntu ISO file, which you can find on the Ubuntu website. Once you have downloaded the ISO, download and install Rufus. Rufus is a free utility for creating bootable drives. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Open Rufus, locate and select your downloaded Ubuntu ISO file. Then, under the partition scheme settings, choose the option that is compatible with your system. Now select Show Advanced Drive Properties to show additional options. Select the persistent partition size, which is where your changes will be stored. This is the crucial step that makes this a persistent drive. Set the desired size, keeping in mind the space limitations on your USB. Then, select Start and confirm the necessary changes. Rufus will then format your drive and create the persistent Live USB. Once it's finished, safely eject the drive. You can then boot from the USB by selecting it in your BIOS settings. When Ubuntu starts up, choose the Try Ubuntu option, and you'll find all your changes preserved on your USB, making it the perfect portable environment.